Alright, I just got at the job site with Sam and Vic. They're running out a piece of gutter right now. Then once they get it pulled out, they'll put it up on the house. They got one other job done already. It's 3:30, quarter to 4 in the afternoon. They've got a good start on the second job. Smile, Vic. And it don't take too long to run a gutter out. This is about 30 foot, close to 30 foot. And then this will be a 2-story job. They've got the ladders set up already. So once they're done here, they'll walk it around the back of the house, and then I'll put the camera on again. All right, they got the gutter fixed. This is strap gutter. We use vampire straps. They're going to bring it around to the back of the house and climb up the ladders and install the gutter. Looks like they've done that before. You got a good day to be doing this, Sam. Not a bad day.
Wonderful day.
Yeah, I guess. And that's how you put a little over a 30-foot piece of gutter up on a 2-story.